Hey artists, here's how to use your Pixel Maze Google Sheet in order to create art. So first of all, you'll notice that each cell over here has a color and a number associated with it. So if you type in number 1 anywhere between these black corner dots, which signify the space that will be filled when you print this page, you will get a red box. Obviously, to make that quicker, say you wanted a lot of red boxes, instead of just typing 1 in 63 boxes, you could copy and paste. So I hit Control C or Edit Copy, and then Control V or Edit Paste. And you can go ahead and paste your 1 in as many boxes as you want. You could also click and drag from, see this little corner blue dot here, click and drag, and that'll fill that down so that you can fill up whatever has that same color to expand as much space as you want to cover with that same number 1. Okay, so the second thing is if you want to change one of these colors. Say you don't want this lovely purple that is a number 10. To change that, go into your Format, Conditional Formatting, and see where we have 10. Don't hit the trash can, don't delete it, but now we're going to edit it. So click on it. Notice both the text for 10 and the fill for 10 are this purple. If you don't want purple, change it to, say you're a fan of, we already have a green that looks like that. Bright, no, we already have that one too. Say you're a fan of brown. Go ahead and change it, both of those to that same brown and click Done. Now, anywhere you type the number 10, and close it. Anywhere you type the number 10, it's going to turn brown. And notice over here where you had 10 in your answer key, it's also turned brown. So that's how you change the colors and then use the typing of the numbers to create the art within the Google Sheet.